Hey guys, this is Nancy with Team White City Devils with the ScareFactor.com, and we are here at Old Joliet Haunted Prison.
Oh no! No way! It's so hard! Like,
You can say that for later.
you're too much.
What happened?
Not too much.
What happened? Catch that on video fastest.
Here, I can just lick you too.
Oh my god. So while I was doing the intro, string cheese got me over here. Hey Mario, show your string cheese mark. Look at that. Look at that. Damn it, string cheese. But anyways, yeah, so we are here at Old Joliet Prison obviously Joliet, Illinois. This is Chicagoland's only haunted house attraction inside an actual haunted prison. There's actually a documentary coming out called Project Limestone. After seeing the previews, this place is really haunted. So definitely check it out. But this consists of 3 different attractions. The first one will be going inside the actual prison. You'll be got a spooky shed coming up.
Go in, ding-a-ling! Hey, don't be looking at none of my license plates or nothing in here. I asked kids looking around.
Ooh.
Yeah, you know what happened to him?
What happened?
You hear about it? He's never been found.
Never been
Don't
found.
be looking around here either. You don't want to be like Bobby.
Ooh. You got clearance?
Clarence, Roger, Roger.
Oh god. Oh my god, hi. Uh-oh, why do you need a gas mask?
Uh-oh.
I feel like we need one. We're finally going in. Woo-wee.
Enter the prison.
I've got plenty of cells here for you.
Uh-oh.
Don't even think the light is good. I know
Wow. It's never too late to mend. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's beautiful.
Ay, ay, ay. I did my time. Yeah.
I'm telling the warden.
Snitches get stitches in here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. We gotta check in? Okay.
You told me that the 2 of them are
Nancy.
Nancy,
Yes.
are you here for 9 o'clock?
9 o'clock, yes.
Are you getting lobotomy?
Yes.
Yeah, come in.
Alright, cool.
Oh my god, finally! Finally, I get to do lobotomy.
Yay. Is this your first time? Oh,
Finally, I get to do a lobotomy.
that feels great.
Arena, you gotta move! I'm a kind of patient. I'm sorry, here you go. Bye-bye.
Okay.
I'll get a lobotomy.
More lobotomies. Oh my god! Jesus! Oh my, that was you! just left the first attraction and it was amazing. It's a lot of darkness in there, but there's also a lot of people lurking around as well in there.
So we're actually on our way to the second attraction, which is going to be Laser Time. Mario looks very excited to do this. So yeah, let's go check it out.
Laser tag. I'm gonna be like that guy.
Have fun.
Okay, cool.
Zombies.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Kill some zombies.
Lock and loaded.
Ooh. Hello, zombies. I come to. Oh! Hey!
Nice.
Don't worry, I'll protect you.
Thanks.
Uh-oh. Check your corners all the time.
Uh-oh. Oh no. Must be the red line.
No, that sounds like a blue line. No, I gotcha!
It's a transfer.
Awesome! Look at this! Jello shot!
And there is yours, my friend.
Dope. Thank you.
Thank you. You see these? They're so cool. Cool. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Cute. Oh my god!
Oh man. You took your eyes off the prize and we almost
I
died.
really did. Thank you so much.
Having fun tonight?
Oh yeah.
All right, y'all ready for the third attraction?
Yeah. Oh my god. Is this enough light for you? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no! Oh my god! That's a lot of bone. Oh my god.
It's hot enough, it's hot enough. It'll never be enough. It'll never be enough.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh no. Mm-mm. Oh my. I'm not going over there. Ah, crap. This is an actual maze. Oh, it's a dead end. Never mind. Ooh, we got it. So we just went through all 3 attractions and we're back here at the Midway, just hanging out, grabbing a little bit of water because we're so... Oh, and rib tips. So we are getting rib tips, so we will actually be trying those out today. They got turkey legs, they got rib tips. So yeah, Fat Jeff's Barbecue. We're about to check out the escape room. There's a merchandise booth here. That's where you go collect your pictures that you take at the front of the line. Or you can get also their really great t-shirts, patches, bags, all that good stuff. Overall, this place just feels like you just don't want to go home yet. There is cornhole, there is alcoholic drinks.
Spearmint 13 beer from Sound Growler out in Tinley Park. Specifically for the prison. Really cool can, IPA.
Alright, and then I got the Original Sin hard cider. So then
Hello.
cheers!